Let's talk a little bit about open and closed cell assemblies. A really good example of an open cell assembly is an assembly that has the cavity that's filled with fiberglass insulation. That assembly allows the air to move. The problem with that kind of assembly is the differential pressure meets in the middle of that assembly. That means the fiberglass gets wet. Adding moisture to that assembly really shortens the life cycle of that assembly. The ice panels are made of a closed cell assembly. Closed cell assemblies do not allow moisture to get inside the assembly. The inside of the assembly stays dry and its performance is not compromised.